Hello, in front of me I've got Garmin Edge 540. In this video I'll show you how to set heart rate alert. In the beginning, let's go to menu by pressing and holding this button. Enter activity profiles and now select your profile. Go to alerts and prompts, find heart rate alert and now set minimum heart rate and maximum heart rate. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.